When operators can instantly see what's happening in a process, better decisions happen faster. Today on RS Product Spotlight, we're highlighting the Trumeter APM Series, advanced panel meters designed to turn raw signals into clear, highly visible information right at the control panel. The Trumeter APM, or Advanced Panel Meter Series, provides precise monitoring for electrical and process signals while giving users an intuitive, high-impact display right at the panel. Each APM combines a large numeric readout, a curved bar graph, and a starburst message area, allowing operators to understand process conditions at a glance without digging through menus or external HMIs. Dynamic programmable backlighting changes color and intensity based on thresholds or alarms, instantly highlighting normal operations, warnings, or faults. With models available for current, voltage, process, rate, temperature, and more, every APM is fully configurable and highly adaptable across a wide range of applications. It has custom scaling, ranges, and messagings tailored to the exact sensor or signal, 10 independent configurable alarms with digital and analog outputs, linear and non-linear scaling, including up to 20-point sensor linearization on process models, high measurement accuracy, USB port and free configuration software for quick setup and adjustments, and its IP65 rated front panel makes APM meters suitable for harsh industrial and washdown environments. When paired with the APM gateway, APM meters connect directly to the Trumeter cloud, enabling remote visibility beyond the control panel. With Trumeter Cloud, users gain real-time monitoring from any web-connected device, email alerts and optional SMS notifications for alarm conditions, data logging, historical trends and API access, and remote monitoring of up to 4 APMs per gateway. This makes the APM series a strong option for predictive maintenance and distributed operations. The Trumeter APM series is widely used across process manufacturing, water and wastewater, chemical, food and beverage, and pharmaceutical production, industrial automation and control panels, power utilities, energy management, and HVAC systems, and pumps, fluid control, material handling, transportation, and aerospace equipment. Common applications include voltage and current monitoring, pressure and flow indication, control loop feedback, and process signal displays. If you're looking to modernize control panels with a highly visible, configurable, and IIoT-ready metering solution, the Trumeter APM series delivers clarity, flexibility, and insight in one powerful package. Explore the Trumeter APM lineup on our RS website or contact our RS engineering support group to help you select the right model for your application. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more RS Product Spotlight videos like this. Thanks for watching.